This next bit ain't very pretty.
You're right.
Harley?
He's right. Business is business.
I've got the kid. But I'm gonna need to renegotiate the terms of our deal. If I hand her over, I want everyone who's after me to back off.
Quinn, bring me the rock now, and I guarantee your safety. I own this town. You'll have my protection.
Fine. Meet me at Amusement Mile, the booby trap, in 1 hour. Quit judging.
Zaz?
Come on, kid. Let's get you somewhere safe.
We got them.
Little bird! You're gonna be driving Mr. Zaz tonight. Go. Fetch. Amusement Mile, the booby trap.
Do we have to bring him back?
I think you can manage a couple of little girls. Just bring me back my diamond.
Why don't you hit me with your best shot? Hit me with your best shot. Fire away. Hit me with your best shot. Fire away.
What is it?
Nothing.
Pull over.
What?
Pull the fucking car over now. I gotta take a leak.
She betrayed you, boss. She betrayed you.
Are you sure?
Your little bird's a fucking rat. You want me to kill her?
No. 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 I'll come to you.